The Chiyogami Violin. Deep in a forest of Chiyogami paper, there was a small workshop. There lived Kenji, a wooden puppet boy who dreamed of becoming a violin maker. Why is it? Kenji sighed. No matter how many times I try, I can't create a sound that resonates with the heart, like my grandfather's violins did. He gently played the violin he had just finished. Plink. The sound it made was lonely and small. Just then, a beautiful butterfly made from a single piece of Chiyogami paper fluttered in through the window. Her name was Chiyo. Chiyo danced gracefully around Kenji's violin before landing softly on a piece of Chiyogami paper on the wall. It was a pattern of cherry blossoms in full bloom. Chiyo trembled her wings, as if to say, "Listen to this sound." When Kenji leaned in close, he could almost hear the gentle sound of the spring breeze rustling through the Chiyogami cherry blossoms. Next, Chiyo flew to a piece of paper with a flowing blue river. The clear, murmuring sound of the water seemed to flow into Kenji's heart. Chiyo guided Kenji to many different Chiyogami papers. He heard the rustling of a bamboo grove and the deep silence of falling snow. Kenji listened, captivated by the sounds of the world he had never noticed before. Of course, that's it. A spark lit up in Kenji's eyes. He picked up a new piece of wood and began to carve with passion, trying to pour the whisper of the cherry blossoms and the babble of the stream into the wood. At last, the new violin was finished. It was the only one of its kind in the world, decorated with beautiful patterns from the Chiyogami paper. Kenji gently drew his bow across the strings. A tone deeper, gentler, and warmer than any he had ever heard filled the workshop. When he looked out the window, countless Chiyogami butterflies were dancing and glittering, as if to celebrate his music.